Hey everybody, welcome back to Buzz Cooks. Today we're doing cupcake potatoes. They're kind of like a cross between a potato skin and a twice baked potato. Real easy to make and so delicious and crispy. So I'm going to do 6 servings, which is 3 red potatoes. I'm going to get a medium sized saucepan, bring it to heat, boil, that is. Add a tablespoon of baking soda. While that's heating up, I've got my potatoes I've washed and I've cut in half. So once it's boiling, we're going to put our potatoes in there. And we're going to boil those until they are fork tender. Now, what you're going to need is a cupcake tray. You want to grease or use Pam or any cooking spray on 6 of the cupcake sections. And once we're fork tender, we're going to remove these potatoes and let them cool down. While they're cooling down, if you can remember to please like, share, subscribe to the channel, share it with all your friends and family. I appreciate it. Leave a comment if you can. Hit that little bell to stay up to date on newest shows. So here we go. Once the potatoes have cooled down, we're going to put them inside the cupcake tray. And using a spoon, we're going to press down and kind of make a crevasse in there. So you're making like a little pool inside there. Then we're going to hit the tops of those with some olive oil or any kind of canola oil, whatever you got. And we're going to put them at 375 and bake those until they get nice and brown like that. Then we're going to take them out and we're going to fill them with our favorite fillings. I'm just going to use some Sargento shredded cheese. And I'll pop these back in the oven for about another 30 minutes until they look like this. Now they're ready to serve. Just they pop right out. Hit them with a little bit of parsley or some chives, some sour cream, and you're ready.